You have probably used AI to help write something, summarize a document, maybe draft an email at 4:57 p.m. on a Friday when your brain has already clocked out. No judgment, but here is the big question everyone keeps not quite asking out loud. Is AI actually going to take over? Like, take over? Let's find out. No fluff, just facts, and one very small toy robot. AI did not just appear one day. It has been quietly leveling up for 70 years. But something shifted around 2022. Suddenly, AI could generate realistic images, write full documents, compose music, code entire applications, and hold a convincing conversation, all in seconds. We went from bicycle to rocket ship in about 3 years. Here is where it gets a little mind-bending. AI is now helping build better AI. It can write code, test systems, find bugs, faster than any human team ever could. But, and this is important, it is not doing this on its own. Humans still control the power, the servers, the rules, and the goals. AI is more like a seriously overachieving intern than a rogue robot overlord. Think of it this way. A calculator is incredible at math, but it does not decide what math problems to solve. AI today is like a supercalculator. Extraordinary at tasks, but still working for us. For now, AI is already transforming marketing, design, coding, customer service, medicine, law, and even management. Some jobs will shrink. Others will change completely. And entirely new careers, ones that do not even have names yet, will emerge. History has a lesson here. When calculators were invented, people thought mathematicians would become useless. Instead, we stopped wasting time on arithmetic and started focusing on actual problem solving. The skill shifted. It did not disappear. The people who will thrive? The ones who learn how to work with the new tools. Not the ones pretending they do not exist, and not the ones letting the tools do all the thinking for them. So, will a Terminator show up? Probably not. But here is what is already happening, and it is actually more concerning in a quieter way. Deep fakes. AI can now put convincing words in anyone's mouth. Politicians, executives, misinformation travels faster than corrections. Voice cloning. A scammer can call someone, sounding exactly like a person they trust, with a story that demands an immediate response. The technology is accessible and inexpensive. Bias. AI systems trained on historical data inherit historical biases and then apply those biases at enormous scale and speed. And the one that matters most for anyone using these tools, AI hallucination. AI does not always know. It will cite sources that do not exist, state incorrect facts with complete confidence, and present all of it in the same professional tone as everything accurate. The danger is not a robot uprising. It is powerful tools being used without enough care. Here is what the realistic future looks like. Not the Hollywood version. AI will help doctors catch diseases earlier than ever before. It will give people access to information and tools that were previously out of reach. It will let individuals create things that once required entire teams. But it will not do any of this automatically. Someone has to direct it. Someone has to question it. Someone has to make sure it is being used fairly. The future is not AI versus people. It is people who understand these tools versus people who do not. AI will not take over the world, but it will massively advantage the people who learn how to use it well, the ones who stay in the chair, ask the right questions, check the answers, and use every tool available to do something worth doing. AI changed everything. The question was never whether to use it, it was always how.